take their oath of office, follow after me. And when I say that you should state information, just do it for your own.
Kaya next.
Kasi magkakaiba po kayo ng pangalan, address, and position. May you please raise your right hand?
Right hand.
Okay. I state your name. Of address. Having been appointed to the position of, state the position. Hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
Under the Republic of the Philippines.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
And I will bear true faith.
That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees.
That I will obey the laws and legal orders.
Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities.
Promulgated by duly
Of the Republic of the Philippines. And I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
Without mental preservation and purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
Help me Allah.
Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations po for the fully pledged na ating mga newly hired workers of AMASST. Bigyan po natin sila ng masigamang palakpakan po, everyone.
Picture taking, photos.